and thanks for tuning into this video with Cooking with Laura. Today we're going to make black bean brownies. So all you're going to need is a 15-ounce can of black beans, any brownie mix. I like Simple Mills. We're going to use almond flour with that today. Chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chip chunks, but you can use whatever chocolate chips you'd like. And some water. So we already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. What we're going to do first is we are going to pour the black beans into a blender. Make sure you get all those black beans. And then water, a cup of water. Put the lid on, and we're just going to blend it till smooth. Okay, that looks about good. Then we'll just pour it into a mixing bowl. Okay. Then you're gonna put the whole brownie mix in. Put that all in there. This brownie mix comes with chocolate chips too, so just kind of keep that in mind. And then we're going to stir it up. Till all of it's nice and smooth and you don't see any dry spots. Okay, and then you can pour in the chocolate chips if you'd like. I'm just going to put a little bit in. This is a half a cup, but I'm just going to put a little in. The ingredients and directions I'm going to post on the video will tell you how many chocolate chips to put in, if you choose to put chocolate chips in, if you want more or less. So we're just going to fold them in. Okay. Next, we're going to come on over here. And we're just going to pour it in. I greased this pan already. Just going to pour it all in here. Now, depending if you want your brownies thicker or thinner, or if you want to make them cupcake, you can do that as well. I'm going to make mine a little thinner. And then you can spread it around. My pan's a little big. That's okay. They don't have to be perfect. Spread it around. I like mine a little thin too. Okay. And then we'll pop them in the oven for 25 to 27 minutes. And then we'll see how they turn out. I'll show you in a minute.